Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to make chocolate cupcakes, and they are really awesome. So small technical difficulties, that's why my things are already pre-mixed, so forgive me for that. I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour in this bowl, and 1 cup of sugar, and a 1/3 cup of cocoa powder unsweetened. To that I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and I think that's all with my dry ingredients. I'm just going to mix them so that everything is well distributed. For my wet, I'm going to start with 1 cup of coffee. I brewed this coffee in the morning. You can use water, you can use buttermilk, but coffee makes the chocolate cupcakes darker. And to that I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and then I'm going to be adding a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, making sure everything is gone, and I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of vinegar. There you go. And 1 egg. I'm going to whisk my wet ingredients, combining everything. And then I'm going to pour my wet in. Ooh, the yolk is still hanging around. I'm going to pour my wet ingredients into the dry mix, and then make sure to not over combine. This is how my batter looks like. I pre-lined my baking sheet with the cupcakes paper, and I'm also preheating my oven to 160 C. So I'll be pouring the butter into the cups, making sure to not overfill them. Something like 2/3. If you overfill them, they're going to look funny and they're going to overflow for sure. So 2/3 should be fine. You would rather have them under than over. That's what I've learned with this whole baking thing. So I'm going to find my measuring scoop. My ice cream scoop comes in handy, so I'm going to use this. Cupcakes are ready to go into the oven, 180 C for 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, but you have to try with a skewer. When it comes out clean, they're ready. So my 25 minutes timer is over, and I'm just going to put a skewer. You can use a toothpick, the short one, and I don't know how. See, it's it came out clean, so it's time to remove my muffin. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I hope you've seen just how easy it is to make chocolate muffins at home. I hope you enjoyed. Please share, like this video, subscribe to my channel to get to see more of my content, my cooking content, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Bye.